Hey guys, Sam here. Just wanted to do a really quick video for you for how to create a Facebook custom audience pixel. The reason you would want to do this is because you want to actually retarget customers or potential customers on Facebook. If someone has visited your website from an ad that you've posted on Facebook or from anywhere really, you have the opportunity to put a pixel, also known as a cookie, onto their computer so that every time they basically look through their newsfeed, you can actually advertise to them. Now, some people like this, some people don't. Bottom line is you can assume that if they've gone to your website, they're somewhat interested in what it is, the message that you're trying to send or the product that you're trying to sell. So you can assume that they are somewhat interested and what you're looking to do is to reinforce that interest and reinforce that brand name and remind them of why they went there in the first place, which is to solve a problem that they have. So what I'm going to do quickly is just show you how to do this. Basically, you need to generate a custom audience pixel on Facebook. You need to put that custom audience pixel on your website. I recommend you do this right now. Do it along with me because it doesn't matter if you're not actually advertising on Facebook yet. The day that you are, you want to have this audience pretty well defined and available to you. So do it now, and it seriously only takes about 10 minutes. So let's get right into it. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to go to my Ads Manager on Facebook. You can go here from the left-hand menu on Facebook. You can go from the drop-down menu up here and manage ads, or you can go to the Ads Manager here on the left-hand side, or you can just type into the URL facebook.com/ads/manager. That'll get you there as well. So I'm just going to go here on the left-hand side. Now, for some reason, the day that I'm recording this, something has gone seriously askew with my Ads Manager for my non-business Facebook accounts, and all the ads have disappeared, so I don't know why none of them are there. I'll have to work that out later, but I still wanted to show you how to do this. So basically what you want to do is go straight to Tools, and if you've already created a pixel, you'll see the Pixels option there, but if you haven't, you want to go to Audiences. And so go to Audiences, and then you'll select Create a Custom Audience, because you're creating an audience to advertise to that is based on the visits on your page. So you click on there. You basically want to select the one that says Website Traffic. So it says create a list of people who visit your website or view specific web pages. So I'm going to click on there. Now, I've actually already created the custom audience pixel. If you haven't, it will probably come up here, or there'll be an option to get the pixel. So because I've already created this particular test one, I'm just going to view the pixel code. So what you'll do is you'll generate a pixel from that view, and it will give you this pixel code. So all you have to do now is put that code in the head section of your website. And all I'm going to do is literally copy and paste this. So Command C on a Mac, Control C on a PC, and copy that pixel information, and I'm going to go to my website. Okay, so what you need to do now is put that code on your website, and it's pretty easy to do, but you just need to be very careful. So what you want to do is go to the Appearance menu on your item on your menu, and then go to the editor. Now, in this editor is all the code that actually resides on your site to make it operate. So you do need to be very careful, but it's not actually that hard to update it. So what you're looking for here is the head or header PHP file, and you want to make sure, usually it's called header, it's unusual for it not to be, but you also want to make sure that the file it's referring to is header.php. So what I'm going to do is just select that file and just confirm that what you have here is the header.php that's open, and what you need to do is put that pixel in between the head opening and closing tags. So basically the head opener is there and the close is /head. So what you want to do is basically go to the bottom of this code here, put a couple of enters in. So what I'm going to do is just paste it in here, so just Control V, that gives you the Facebook pixel code. and there's the end of the code. I'm just going to put another enter there, and then you basically update the file, and that will actually make sure that anyone that visits your entire page, your entire site, sorry, will have that pixel on there. And then once you go back into Facebook, you'll be able to actually create the create the audience as a result of that, of having that pixel code there. So what I'm going to do there is create the audience, and the options that you have here are that anyone who visits your website, you can also segment your audience and create different custom audiences for both anyone that visits anywhere on your website, or people who visit specific web pages, and you can select the particular web pages. So for example, if you have certain web pages that are dedicated towards a certain category of customer, like whether it's teachers or parents or that sort of thing, and if you put parents in all of the URLs associated with that category of customer, then if the URL contains parents, you can give them you can serve them different ads to what you would serve for teachers, for example, or students or whatever. The other thing you can do here is select the period of time that the pixel is valid for. I usually leave that at the default of 30 days, because beyond 30 days you can be harassing people a little bit. If you can go up to 180 days, and that can be a bit of a long time for someone to be served ads for you if they visited your site 180 days ago. So I usually leave it at 30 days. And then you just want to name that audience, and I might call that the parents audience. In fact, I'm just going to select anyone who visits the website, so I'm going to call that all visits to website, and then just create the audience. And then once that's created, you'll see there, now in this case I haven't actually installed the pixel, but once you've installed it and saved it, it will actually say there that it's installed, and it takes at least 20 people to have visited your site with their cookies on in order for that availability to be turned on. So you need to wait until at least 20 people have visited your site. So if that takes a few hours, a few days, or a few weeks, or a few months even, then that will be the case before that audience is available to be advertised to. So I hope that has been helpful. In another video I'll show you how to actually advertise to that custom audience. Have a great day, and good luck.